When you think of Sweden, you might picture meatballs, flat-pack furniture, and safe, sensible cars. But behind that calm exterior is something far more daring, the Saab Gripen. This isn't just a fighter jet. It's Sweden's bold answer to the world's military giants. While superpowers pour billions into complex, high-maintenance jets, Sweden focused on what matters: adaptability, affordability, and clever engineering. The Gripen is proof that you don't need the biggest budget to build a world-class fighter. As global tensions rise and military budgets tighten, the Gripen's pragmatic design is suddenly in the spotlight. Nations are rethinking the wisdom of betting everything on one expensive platform. The Gripen is no longer an underdog, it's a serious contender, built for the realities of today. It's fast, fierce, and ready to shake up the defense industry. Sweden's little jet is about to make a very big impact. Sweden's decision to join NATO was a seismic shift and a huge endorsement of its own hardware. By joining the alliance, Sweden plugged the Gripen directly into NATO's advanced defense network. Now the Gripen is fully NATO-compatible, able to operate seamlessly alongside American, British, and German jets. This interoperability has transformed the Gripen from a regional defender into a global contender. The Swedish Air Force is expanding its fleet to 120 Gripens, including the cutting-edge E variant, a clear message to the world. Sweden's commitment to its own jet is the ultimate vote of confidence for potential buyers. The Gripen isn't just an export product, it's the backbone of Sweden's new, assertive military posture. With NATO integration, the Gripen is now at the center of the world's most powerful defense alliance. If you want proof the Gripen has arrived, look at Ukraine. In 2025, Ukraine signed a landmark deal to buy up to 150 Gripen E fighters, betting its future security on Swedish engineering. This isn't just about jets. It's a deep, decade-long partnership to help Ukraine build a modern, self-sufficient air force. The Gripen's rugged design, able to operate from damaged runways and be turned around by a small crew, fits Ukraine's needs perfectly. Born from Sweden's Cold War doctrine, the Gripen is built for survival in tough conditions. Ukraine's choice is a real-world endorsement. Reliability, flexibility, and independence matter most. The deal puts the Gripen in the global spotlight and will make other nations take notice. When survival is on the line, the smart money is on Sweden's jet. What sets the Gripen E apart? It's a symphony of smart engineering. Its advanced electronic warfare suite can jam, deceive, and blind enemy sensors, turning the jet into a ghost on the battlefield. The state-of-the-art ESA radar gives pilots unmatched situational awareness, tracking threats before they're even seen. But the Gripen's genius is also in its practicality. It can be refueled and rearmed in under 10 minutes by a small crew and operate from short, rough roads. This flexibility is a massive strategic advantage. The Gripen has already proven itself as a drone hunter in NATO missions, an increasingly vital role. Its powerful, efficient engine allows for supersonic flight without afterburner, covering vast distances quickly. Combine all this, and you have one of the smartest, most adaptable combat aircraft on the market. The Gripen E isn't just high-tech, it's built for the real world. That's what makes it brilliant. The fighter jet world's biggest rivalry? The nimble Saab Gripen E versus the American F-35. The F-35 is a stealthy, high-tech powerhouse, but it's also eye-wateringly expensive and often grounded for maintenance. The Gripen, by contrast, is agile, affordable, and reliable. The F-35 costs $35,000 per flight hour. The Gripen, less than $20,000. That means more training, more patrols, and more jets in the air. When you buy an F-35, you're locked into an American-controlled system. The Gripen offers full technology transfer and local control. Saab's approach means countries can upgrade, maintain, and arm their jets independently, creating jobs at home. The F-35's software delays and high downtime make it a risky investment. The Gripen is a proven, mature platform. Less to go wrong, more time in the air. In a real conflict, availability is everything. The Gripen is the weapon you can count on. Nowhere is the Gripen versus F-35 debate hotter than in Canada. Canada planned to buy 88 F-35s, but now the Gripen is back in the running, thanks to Saab's offer of local jobs and full technology transfer. The Gripen's cold weather capability and low operating costs make it ideal for Canada's vast, icy north. Supporters argue it's the pragmatic choice: more flying, better defense, and industrial independence. The F-35's backers stress interoperability with the US and the allure of stealth. But a mixed fleet could mean higher costs and logistical headaches. Canada faces a defining choice: seamless integration with its ally or sovereignty and a jet tailored to its geography. The decision will shape the future of its air force. The world is watching. The Gripen's rise is part of Sweden's military renaissance. Sweden is boosting defense spending, supporting Ukraine, and putting the Gripen at the heart of its strategy. Supplying Ukraine with Gripens isn't just aid, it's a statement about European security and Swedish industrial strength. Sweden is already planning its next-generation fighter, focused on AI and unmanned systems, building on the Gripen's legacy. The Gripen proves that military power doesn't require massive budgets, just smart design and clear priorities. It offers nations a real choice: closed, expensive systems, or open, affordable independence. In a world of uncertainty, the Swedish Gripen is more relevant than ever. Sometimes the smartest solution comes from the most unexpected place.